Life sciences today. Global, fast-paced. Driven by new technologies, demanding a new kind of service and support. Customer satisfaction is just the beginning. What counts is customer success, and success is measured in outcomes. Our service solutions are designed to help you achieve the outcomes you need for success. Unlike traditional break-fix models, our service solutions set out to maximize the total productivity of your assets. To bring out the best in your people, to make the most of your processes, and to optimize the performance of your instruments, ensuring the timeliness of your research and the continuity of your drug to market. Our data-driven parts advisory service minimizes downtime by determining what critical spares you should keep on site in case of a part failure. Whether your Cytiva assets are a benchtop instrument or a large-scale enterprise solution, our service solutions are with you at every step of their life cycle. We'll even help you donate your aging instruments so they can continue to serve the cause of science. Our service solutions are people-driven. You're supported by over 700 experts in 30 countries. They're equipped with cutting-edge service tools to drive your business forward. And we're developing new tools that open up new horizons in remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance. Our service solutions, they're outcomes driven for today's and tomorrow's life sciences.